Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can edit your avatar in Disney Dreamlight Valley. So I'm just going to go to the store real quick to see the options that they have. Maybe they have something new to add to my avatar. So I'm just going to wait for the store to load a little bit. Oh my god, that is so cute. I'm gonna buy that. Okay, hold on. Let me just buy that real quick. Okay, so here I can just try that on. Okay, I'm just going to open my wardrobe. So here you can customize your facial features and the color of your hair and your body and etc here. But I already did that. So here I'll show you. They kind of zoom in your eyes and you can choose the color of your eyes here and etc. The eyeshadow as well. The mouth shape. Face paint, hairstyles. I have a bunch of hairstyles as you can see, but I like this one the best. You can even change the hair color. To change the outfit, you're just going to go to categories. I'm just going to select the ear that I just received here, and I'm going to pair it with a Woody outfit here. I'm just going to go to tops, and then here I'll just delete the skirt. Just remove it by pressing on the same skirt because it does overlay it on top of pants, which I find weird, but I guess some people would want that. So I'm just going to try to find some jeans here. I want to find, here we go. Then I'm just going to wear some boots. That's how you can customize your avatar as well as the outfits. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. This is my new favorite outfit now. Oh my gosh, do I have matching backpack? Let's see. I completely forgot about that. I don't think I do. Maybe just this one, but I'm just gonna use it without. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!